Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share my last visit of Singapore airport and the butterfly garden. It is just fascinating. Just look at this, come with me. Friends, hope you enjoyed this video of the beautiful butterfly garden of Singapore's airport. Please hit the like button, comment in a comment section, and please subscribe my channel and share with your friends as well. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Till then, keep shining. Ta-da!